Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark or logo to your Instagram reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram reel. I'm going to click on this plus button and then select the reel. And for example, I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. I'm just going to select this one. That if you want to add watermark or logo, you have to download the Instagram logo from the internet. Then you can go to the sticker menu and you can select cutout. Then you just need to add the Instagram logo. And here I have added the Instagram logo. I'm just going to select this logo and I'm going to add my username as well. Wait, I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then I'm going to add tags to this reel. I'm just going to add my username, just like this. Click on done. I'm going to place it right here, okay, beside the logo. And then once we're ready to share this Instagram reel, we can click on next. Then we're going to click on share. And the Instagram reel will be shared with our logo or watermark. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add watermark to Instagram reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.